This is Union Industries. We're a UK-based industrial high-speed door manufacturer and been established since 1972. You'll find our doors in a multitude of different companies, from freezers to supermarkets, distribution centres. We're all over the place. We do a variety of different types of doors for all types of openings, and they unfortunately have quite a few different sizes of openings, and we have to bespoke our doors to suit their openings, and the only way we can do that is to have the technology there to suit, and that technology for us is Autodesk.
Union Industries is a really unique business. We've got masses of history, but also we're turning the corner and looking now at new technologies and new ways that we can be the best supplier to our very important customers.
We've currently been using 3D modelling, using Inventor, Revit, which has took us into the BIM market as well.
The whole market, the whole industry is turning towards BIM. At Union, we've got to be ahead of the curve, so we've got in there early. More and more people are asking for BIM on a daily basis. We need to be at the forefront delivering that technology to our customers.
BIM has helped us to develop into other opportunities which we've never really had that much of a chance with, but now, because of the technology BIM provides, we're getting ahead of the game. Because Union Industries has become BIM equipped, more and more companies are coming to us, and whether they download the BIM models off the website or whether they come to us for a bespoke BIM model, which we can now do due to the training we receive from Quadra, that's opened up a lot more new business on the new builds.
I feel very confident that we've invested in the right tools to future-proof our business going forward.